Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. There have been times where a video file you have created, either through your phone or using a camera, is pretty large. I mean, the file is pretty large, and you want to somehow reduce the size of the file as well as try to see that you don't lose the quality of the file or quality of the video once you use a software to reduce the size. There is one excellent software which I've used for many years. That's called Handbrake. It's an open source transcoder, and it's a free software. And I will put the link of this website in the description of the YouTube video. Let's start downloading the software. I will show you how to install it. So now it's downloading. It's about 19.5 MB file, not too big. So let's start. I click on it. You want to install it. You don't have to worry about to change anything specifically. So keep hitting next. It's going to default to C program files. That's fine. Hit install. Wait for it to complete. It's ready. And it also says, do you want to create a desktop shortcut? That's fine. So now hit finish. Now your file is ready. So let's go to a Handbrake. I open the file. Now let me show you one of the videos I have. uh, for example, this is a video. It's a 109 MB file. I want to see if I can use Handbrake to reduce the size of the file. So let's drag this file into Handbrake and drop it in here. And if you see, you don't have to worry about changing anything if you're using this Handbrake for the first time. Just go with what's there as a default. You can see the summary is the format you want is MP4. The different formats, MP4 is the right format to use, which is useful, which is a common format. If you look at the dimensions, it's going to create a 1080p HD video output, and there are filters. You can see the video. This is the default video encoder. This is common across the board, so just leave the defaults there. You can keep the frame rate as 30. You can increase it if you want, but 30 is a good frame rate. And leave the quality as is. It says constant quality, so you want to have the converted video having a constant quality. And so basically you're using the preset, so you don't have to worry about changing anything here, because you're using it the first time. You can play around later on if you want to modify some of the setups, but for now let's go with what we have, and let us save a copy. It's now everything is ready. I have a summary. Everything is ready. So now I'm going to say click on browse. You want to save it in a location you can find it. So let's say I'd say YouTube. These are where the raw files are. I'm going to call it converted MP4 and say save. So now it's ready. I'm going to hit start encode. This is going to take some time, so we'll catch up again once the file is ready. The encoding is almost complete, so let's wait for the message to say it's complete. if you observe, it's about 98% complete. So it's all done. We can say proceed. So now the it's done. So let's look at the file that got created, right? So now let's see. If you see the file that got converted, it's about 70 MB. The length of the file is 2 2 minutes 12 seconds. There's no change in the sorry, 12 minutes and 33 seconds. It's the same as the original file. So let's play the original file and see what the quality of that. We'll see what the quality of the original file is. So let's play it and see what happens. This is the original file, and this is the converted file. So the quality is pretty good, even though the size got reduced by about 30 MB. It's pretty good. So 30 MB file size was reduced, but the quality was pretty much the same. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.